Hi, this screencast is about electronegativity and what it does with respect to gaining and losing electrons. As you can see in this graphic here on the right, you have an atom and it has a magnet, and it's pointed towards some electrons, and the electrons are saying, "I'm falling for him. He's so strong." Well, electronegativity is the ability of an atom to attract extra electrons to that atom. So the key part here is the ability to attract electrons. Electronegativity is the ability to attract electrons to an atom. So when you're thinking about what's going on in the periodic table, and we have pretty much two sides. We have the left side and the right side of the periodic table. And we know for a fact that certain elements take on certain charges. We have some that have positive charges, and we have some that have negative charges. So the negatives are over here, we have some positives, and then it gets a little fuzzy there in the center where the metalloids are. But electrons have a charge that is negative. And so if you're attracting electrons, which side of the periodic table would it make much more sense for elements to be able to attract electrons? And if you look at the graphic I have here, it would make more sense for the periodic table on the right side to attract electrons. So the electronegativity is much more high on this side of the periodic table than it is on the left. So that's a little graphic to help you remember that electronegativity is the ability to attract electrons, and the right side of the periodic table has typically higher electronegativities because they tend to become negative ions, so they are more interested in attracting electrons.